In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ribbon does not have any tabs or panels loaded. If you're encountering this problem, you know how disruptive it can be, especially when you rely on the ribbon for quick access to essential tools and commands. Let's walk through the solution to get everything back in working order. First, if you've noticed that your ribbon is missing, don't worry, you're not alone. This is a fairly common issue. Let's begin by trying to open it. Go to the command line in AutoCAD and type ribbon, then press enter. Generally, this command should restore your ribbon, giving you access to tabs and panels. However, you might still see that frustrating error message saying your ribbon doesn't have any tabs or panels loaded, but don't worry, there's a fix for that. To resolve this issue, we need to go a bit deeper into AutoCAD's customization settings. Type CUILOD into the command line and press enter. This command opens a new window, which is your gateway to loading and unloading customization groups in AutoCAD. In the window that appears, you'll notice a Browse button. Go ahead and click it. Now, you need to select the appropriate CUIX file that will restore your ribbon. By default, the main file you want to select is acad.cuix. This file generally contains all the necessary configurations and settings needed to display your ribbon correctly. Once you've highlighted acad.cuix, click Open to confirm your selection. You're almost there. Next, click the Load button. This action reloads your customization settings, including those crucial ribbon tabs and panels. Rest assured, this step is typically all it takes to restore your tools and ribbon back to their familiar state. After completing these tasks, simply close the CUILOD window. Once you do, you should see your AutoCAD interface with a fully functional ribbon equipped with all the tabs and panels you need to tackle your design projects efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed the issue with your ribbon not loading tabs or panels. Remember, if this issue ever comes up again in the future, you now have the know-how to get things back in order quickly. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.